Coolaroo Shade Sails are a simple and affordable way to transform your outdoor space. They also help protect your family and your friends from harmful UV rays. And only Coolaroo Shade Sails are Cancer Council endorsed. So let's walk through some of the basic steps that you can follow to install your Coolaroo Shade Sail. Firstly, measure your outdoor space and help choose the right size and shape to ascertain your fixing points. Keep in mind, for proper water runoff, your shade sail should slope at least 16% from the highest to lowest points. Next, select the parts you'll need for your installation. Coolaroo has a large range of accessories to make the job of installing your shade sail simple and easy, including turnbuckles, strap tensioners, eye bolts, pad eyes and D-rings. Then, lay out your shade sail and allow a minimum of an additional 10% of sail length between the sail corner and the fixing point. If you're using posts as part of your installation, mark out their positions. Then, you're ready to install your posts. Posts should slope away from the centre of the sail at an angle of 10 degrees for steel and 20 degrees for timber. You'll need to attach your eye bolts, and this can be done before or after you install your post. Then, mark out the remaining fixing points and attach your eye bolts securely. From there, connect each corner of the sail to a fixing point using a turnbuckle and use a strap tensioner to pull the shade sail taut. Tighten up the shade sail by turning the turnbuckles. Then, it's time to relax and enjoy your shaded outdoor area. How good is that?